Hi there, Richard Fontenay here, and welcome back to the Fontenay magazine and my product review of Fiverrocket. Now, some of you may not know who I am, so here's a bit of background. For over 35 years, I ran a bricks and mortar consulting and training firm called FACC, or Fontenay Associates Consulting Services Incorporated. But I'm now an internet content marketer, a blogger, a coach, product developer, and owner of several websites. I'm dedicated to helping people become the best that they can be through personal growth and development. And so if you're so inclined, click on the subscribe button below and give us a like and leave a comment. And certainly thank you in advance for doing so. Now, let's get on with a review of Fiverrocket, because your personal growth and development matter. Now, just imagine if you had people waiting in line for your services that you provide without even doing the work, or that you knew exactly what to offer them and where to get it done for a fraction of the price that they pay, and that they are willing to pay. Or that you knew that you had extra income flowing to you every month. Or they had a Fiverr sales account and sales were growing and growing while they were spending less and less time in their business. Well, then come along with me, because Fiverrocket will teach you everything you need to know to earn your first dollar from Fiverr, and then scale up to earn more. Now, who are the brains behind Fiverrocket? Well, they are my favorite marketers, or my four friends and amigos. From left to right, there's Trevor Carr, Jonas Lindgren, and Max Gerstenminer, and Bobby Dulce, known as Bobby D. Now, before we get started though, here are my bonuses designed for your personal growth and development. First, there's a 6-month free Fortress membership, where you will access videos and ebooks and infographics, training and masterclasses, and more, covering over 8 dimensions of personal growth and development. Secondly, there's Stressology 200, over 3 hours of video training on reducing stress in life and in business and at work. And a beginner's guide to self-discipline, an educational and informational guide to strengthen self-discipline practices. And another video called Self-Motivation, which is a training course showing how to lift yourself up when you find yourself in a slump. So just what is Fiverrocket? Well, it's a step-by-step, comprehensive, but simple training program teaching you everything you need to know to outrank your competitors using a secret hack never seen before. Now, Max will show you how he made over $23,000 in a few months using this method. And the beauty is, you can use this method from anywhere in the world. But here's the real kicker. You don't even have to do the work. Yes, you have to get the work, but other people do the work for you. And then you can sit back and let it happen. And you know, Bobby D, the creator along with Trevor Carr of their highly successful Fiverrlicious course, said that he was just blown away with Max's Fiverrocket. He's now back on Fiverr as a result of Max's training. Now, it's no secret that this is a secret hack never before seen or used. It provides superb training, where nothing is left to chance with Max's training. And there are over 2.5 hours of training giving the blueprint to earn passive income using Fiverr. And you know, it's a terrific evergreen product for today's changing marketplace. And over and above that, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So what's in it for you? Well, if you apply the training, you will experience fast results. And if you are a newbie, you'll be able to apply it without any difficulty. And if you are an experienced marketer, you will learn a new way to make money with Fiverr. You can cash in on Fiverr's massive growth. With over 3.5 million users at the end of 2020 and growing, and their share has increased by 630%. Not too shabby. You will learn and apply a surefire way to attract new clients. And you'll be able to apply a solid method to increase your cash flow. And further, you'll be able to grow your Fiverr sales in less than an hour a day. So what's in the funnel? Well, there's an upsell and a downsell, and I know I'm not supposed to say too much about the downsell, but here goes. The front end is only $12.99. The OTO1 on an upsell is $37, but on a downsell it's only $27. There's an OTO2, which is a done-for-you product, and that is $67 with a downsell at $37. And finally, there's an OTO3, which gives you one-on-one coaching around the whole concept of Fiverrocket, which is $197, but it's a downsell of $97. So, do you want to find a way to attract new clients? Work as a freelancer, or improve the way you work as a freelancer, or make passive income online from anywhere? Well, or start with Fiverr with a little no experience, or grow your existing business. Then fly over and get the Fiverrocket front end for only $12.95. And don't forget my bonuses. If you find that buying or purchasing Fiverrocket through my link, you will receive 6 months free Fortis membership, which gives you access to videos, ebooks, and infographics, training, master classes, and more. You will receive 3 hours of video training on reducing stress in life, business, and work, and you will receive an educational and informational guide on self-discipline, and a training course showing you how to lift yourself up when you find yourself in a slump. So where do you go from here? Well, click on Fiverrocket below and get more details about it. And be sure to take advantage of Fiverrocket if it's a fit for you. I don't think you will be disappointed. So thank you for watching this product review. And again, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give us a like for more explorations from the magazine. Click Fiverrocket link below. Now, take care, stay safe, and be well. See you next time. Bye for now.